Is your Rogers modem's 2.4 gigahertz network not working? You're likely experiencing slow speeds, dropped connections, or devices unable to connect, often due to interference or outdated settings. First, access your modem settings via a browser by entering 192.168.100.1 into the address bar or using the Rogers app. Check the 2.4 gigahertz status to ensure it's enabled and broadcasting a signal. Use the Rogers app diagnostic tools to identify 2.4 gigahertz failures, such as signal strength meters and channel conflict alerts. A key indicator is whether your devices are struggling to connect or maintain a stable connection on the 2.4 gigahertz band, while the 5 gigahertz band works fine. Reboot the modem and test with a device like a smartphone to check for immediate connection stability. If issues persist, move on to more advanced solutions like splitting SSIDs or adjusting channel and band steering. If a simple reboot doesn't solve the problem, dive into advanced settings. Split SSIDs involves creating separate network names for your 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, like Rogers 2.4 GHz and Rogers 5 GHz. This lets you manually assign devices to the appropriate band, preventing faster 5 GHz capable devices from defaulting to the slower 2.4 GHz. Next, consider channel and band steering. Band steering, or Smart Connect, automatically directs devices to the optimal band. Channel steering selects the least congested channel within the 2.4 GHz band, like channels 1, 6, or 11. You can toggle band steering on or off to test its effectiveness. If disabled, manually set the channel in your modem settings, experimenting with channels 1, 6, and 11. Finally, if problems persist, consider a factory reset of your modem or contacting Rogers for a firmware update.